Hey everyone, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to navigate through Smore. At the top here, this is what you'll see after you logged in. But at the top here, you'll see a toolbar. And as you scroll down, there's many tutorials that the site offers. So if you want to browse around and check what you need. At the top, you'll see if you want to create a new flyer, any flyers that you've already created. This is like a little folder for you. And this is more so for teachers and different templates that have been created. But for this purpose, we're going to go to Start a New Flyer. Now, you have many different options on what type of flyer you want, but for this tutorial, I'm just going to click Class and use this one. If you start by clicking a title, it'll go through a little small and short tutorial for you, but for this purpose, I'm going to say skip this step. And as I scroll through this template, you'll see there's many different options already built into this flyer. Now, if you see something that you like and want to edit, just click on that like so, and you'll see a screen pop up that's editable. Okay. Now, also, if you wanted to delete this section, you can come up to this X in the right-hand corner after you're hovering over it. Click the X, and you'll see Remove pop up. And just click Remove, and it removes that section. Okay. If you want to get that section back or add in a different type of slide, if you hover over a section, you'll see this little plus sign. This little plus sign means you can add in any feature. It could be a text, picture, gallery, event, audio, video, etc. Let's just say let's add in a gallery, and you'll see this kind of screen pop up. Now you could do whatever you'd like. You can add a picture from the internet, you can add a picture from your files, a title, description, what have you. And in order to do that, all you do is click on that slide or click on that section. Add a picture title. You can add in 2 pictures, 3 pictures, whatever you choose. Okay. So let me get out of this slide. I keep saying slide, but what I mean is get out of that little section. Okay. Once you are done editing everything, you have options of changing the background color, background feature, and that's this area back here. So let's just say we're going to use this one. Okay, and that changes the background feature. If I want to change colors, that changes the inside color of your template. Changing fonts, that's changing the font that you're using here. Okay, but what I want to show you is when you're done editing and you want to share this information, just click on that Done Editing, and you'll see in the top right here there's different sharing tools. The one that we're going to use the most is Embed Link. So if you click here, you'll see the embedded code. All you have to do is click once on the embedded code, push Control C, or if you're on an Apple, Command C, and what this will do is it will copy, and wherever you want to post this, if it's on your website, if it's on a different link that you need to embed anything, please use the embedded code and your flyer will be directly linked into that section. Okay, I hope this helps as a quick tutorial. Please send me a message if you have any questions. Once you are finished, you can do, or once you want to go back and edit your flyer, you can go to edit your flyer and what have you. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful. All right, bye-bye.